Experience industrial-scale 3D printing with the TRONXY VEHO-600A, a high-performance FDM 3D printer engineered for speed, precision, and large-format production. Designed for professionals, manufacturers, engineers, designers, educational institutions, and serious makers, the VEHO-600A combines an impressive 600 x 600 x 600 mm build volume with ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the TRONXY VEHO-600A and explore its advanced features, including a high-flow direct drive extruder, fully enclosed printing chamber, large format build area, and high-speed motion system that enables faster production without compromising print quality. Whether you're producing functional prototypes, industrial components, architectural models, automotive parts, cosplay props, furniture prototypes, or custom manufacturing projects, the VEHO-600A delivers exceptional performance for both large-scale and high-volume production. The spacious 600 x 600 x 600 mm build volume allows users to print oversized models in a single piece, eliminating the need for splitting designs into multiple sections while improving structural strength and reducing post-processing time. Powered by a high-flow direct drive extrusion system, the printer ensures stable filament feeding and consistent material flow even during high-speed printing, making it suitable for engineering-grade materials and demanding applications. Key features: massive 600 x 600 x 600 mm build volume, high-speed printing up to 600 mm per second, industrial-grade FDM printing technology, high-flow direct drive extruder, fully enclosed printing chamber, large-format professional 3D printer, stable high-speed motion system, high-precision printing performance, heavy-duty frame construction, excellent layer consistency, fast production workflow, reliable long-duration printing, improved temperature stability, optimized for engineering materials, professional prototyping capabilities, industrial manufacturing applications, user-friendly operation, smooth and accurate extrusion, suitable for large functional parts, commercial and educational applications. The fully enclosed chamber helps maintain a stable internal temperature, improving print quality and reducing the risk of warping when printing temperature-sensitive materials. It also protects prints from external airflow, resulting in greater consistency and reliability during long production jobs. The advanced high-speed motion system enables print speeds of up to 600 mm per second while maintaining excellent dimensional accuracy, making the VEHO-600A an ideal solution for businesses looking to increase productivity and reduce manufacturing time. Its robust industrial frame minimizes vibration during operation, ensuring smooth movement and precise positioning across the entire build area, even when producing large and complex models. The high-flow direct drive extruder provides excellent control over material extrusion, making the printer compatible with a wide range of filaments while delivering clean surfaces, strong layer adhesion, and reliable performance throughout extended print sessions. Whether you work in product development, industrial design, engineering, architecture, education, research, or custom manufacturing, the TRONXY VEHO-600A offers professional-grade performance, exceptional reliability, and the flexibility required for demanding large-scale 3D printing projects. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in professional 3D printing, additive manufacturing, engineering technology, and industrial production equipment.